G'day all, it's Brother Blonde and welcome back to the channel. If you suffered through my last video where I was learning to do some cone weaves, thank you firstly. I want to show this video to you now, which just shows the results of a little bit of practice. And if you did watch the video and suffered right through to the end, you'd realise that the big mistake I'd made when I set up the cone weave. I had misread the instructions and I'd set the cones up at 900 mil, so 0.9 of a metre from the centre line instead of 0.9 of a metre from each other. In other words, 45 centimetres off the centre line. So they were twice as far apart as they should have been for that level, and you saw the struggle I had. I want to show you a video now which will indicate what happens when you practice. So I set the cones up at 0.7 of a metre initially to do my practice, and I was finding that easy, so I just put them at 0.9. Another 20. That's right, so that's 90. Another 20. 90. So this is where I had it originally when I couldn't do it. Okay. Practice. Oh, there we go, that felt good. And there we go, okay. Oop. So it's amazing what a little bit of confidence and practice can do. Well, the practice, I guess, brings the confidence and the competence. Just learning to counterbalance the weight, getting more used to the throttle, clutch and brake coordination, and getting confident with the bike, the weight of the bike, how much it can lean. Now I know it can lean a heck of a lot more than I'm leaning at the moment, and that will come in time. But now, as I've done over 1,000 kilometres, getting more confident on the bike and more comfortable, of course. Just pushing the bike a bit more, getting a little bit more aggressive and quick on the handlebars, counterbalancing, all of that sort of stuff, and it's obviously paying dividends.
That's like my dad's motorbike. I did 2 years ago. Good job!
That's it for today. I am spent. That was quite tiring actually, because it's a big heavy bike to lumber around. So anyway, till next time, ciao.